Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine. Friends, my today's video is very pretty and it is very unique, and at the same time it contains two important concerns, that is fashion designing and healthcare. Friends, please take care of yourselves, as you know that COVID is a very dangerous and pandemic situation. It has affected the human community badly and it is in full its swing, and it has no mode and no way of turning back. The only thing or the only way through which we could stay protected is to make a habit of wearing masks. And friends, to keep your styling sense, your designing sense, your dressing sense more stylish, trendy, and outstanding and classy, I have shared very beautiful and easy to make hand embroidered with 3 layers to give maximum protection against COVID, viral infection, viruses, skincare, and much more. Because these masks are with 3 layers in a filter pocket to filter impurities, washable, reusable, with the supporting nose wire and adjustable elastic straps. So I hope that you would stay protected and you would try these patterns. And for more trendy, stylish, and designer style ideas, subscribe our channel. And thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like.